Hey guys, it's me again. Yeah. And sometimes as you're scrolling through some of these different videos, the thought may be in your head, or at least it's popped in and out a few times, is why do you want to get into digital marketing in 2022? And that's a very good question. And it deserves a good answer. I don't know that this is going to be a good answer, but I believe that it's a great answer. Now, aside from the fact that it's going to help you create an amazing income that will change your life. But let's get into the other things. There are things you're going to learn as you go through this that you'll be able to teach other people. And the strange thing about it is, as you learn these things, you won't even know in general that you're learning them or what they're even called. So let's go over some of those. For example, you're going to learn high income skills. And at the same time, you're going to learn linear marketing. And then there's personal branding and social media growth. And there's more. You'll understand how to promote small, medium, and high ticket items. That sounds kind of, like a lot of stuff. But it's really not, because you'll figure out how to do this as you go through a step-by-step process. You'll learn these things, and that's just what some people call these skills. You will become a digital marketer. And a digital marketer has these skills. So, how cool is it that you're going to earn an amazing income, but at the same time, you're going to learn some skills that's going to help a lot of people? Okay? So now, if that sounds like something interesting to you, how about you hit the like or thumbs up, maybe a follow or a subscribe, depending upon where you're seeing this video. And then how about leaving a comment like skills? Yeah, that'll work. Have an amazing day.